morning, everyone. So, Sukhdeep Kaur, Balraj Singh, Parul Rana, Anuj Rana, Ikrit, Ishita Chaudhary. Welcoming you all in today's class. So, in revision, let's start with the very basic question. Find the LCM of find the LCM of 64 and 120. Now question can be asked by one by division lemma and another by prime factorization method. Okay. So Pratham, very good morning bache. Next question is question number 2. Write all prime numbers and composite numbers between 80 and 100. Write all the prime numbers. I am reducing the question. Write all the prime numbers between 80 and 100. Sometimes probability question is asked from this question. You should know how many prime numbers are between 80 and 100. Next question. Question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, polynomial 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, then find the value of x squared plus alpha squared plus beta squared. Question number 4. Find the value of p. Find p for which x plus py is equal to 1. X plus py is equal to 1 and px plus y is equal to p square has infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions. Question number 5. Solve for x and y. First is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Question number 6. So here Ikrit, first question is it is 960. So when we solve the first question, we are going for LCM 64. 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16, 32, 64. 2 raised to power 6, right? 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, right? So if you short, you can write 2 raised to power 6. Whereas 120, prime factorization of 120, 2, 16, 2, 30, again 2, 15, then 3 and 5. So here the prime factorization is 120 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to power 1. So LCM here is the LCM is highest power of 2 is 2 raised to power 6, 3 raised to power 1 into, so we have here this is 64 into 15. So this is 15 4s are 66 and 15 6s are 90. So she is very right. LCM, that is 960. LCM here is 960. You are very right. Question number 2. Find the prime numbers between 80 and 100. So we have here so many students. Find the prime numbers between 80 and 100. Write the prime numbers between 80 and 100. Quick. So here between 80 and 100, first 91 is not a prime number, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. 97 is the only prime number here, and this one 81, 82, 83. Prime number is 83. Then we have the number 89, and we have the number 97. 97 is the only number which lies between 90 and 100, only one. These are the only prime numbers lies between these 80 and 100. Right? This is the second question. Next one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we know alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. So either we can find the alpha or beta, or we can find the relations that sum of alpha plus beta is equal to minus of b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So what is alpha upon beta? Alpha upon beta, that is minus b upon a. So here minus of b minus of minus 7 upon 6, that is 7 upon 6, right? And alpha upon beta, that is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, minus 3 upon 6, that is minus 1 by 2, right? So here we have the relation that if alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square, it is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. It is 2 alpha beta. So here we want this alpha square minus beta square, right? To find this alpha square beta square, what we can do? We can write down here that alpha plus, alpha square beta square is equal to, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus, this is 2 alpha beta, 2 alpha beta. We will substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 7 by 6, 7 by 6 whole square, and here we will substitute the value of alpha, that is minus 1 by 2. So here we will solve. This is 49 upon 36 minus will get plus, that is 1. So here answer is 49 plus 36 divided by 36. So here we have 15, 1 carry 7, 8, 85 upon 36. This is the value of alpha square plus beta square, right? So here who is Ikrit is writing 1, 2. Ikrit, beta prime number between 80 and 100. You are writing so many prime numbers. Harshvardhan Singh, very good morning. Krishna Gandhi, very good morning. I have asked, my question was the prime numbers between 80 and 90, sorry 80 and 100. So in between 80 and 100 you are writing from 1, right? So come to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, we know the pair of linear equations. The pair of linear equations, if we revise the concept, when we have infinite many solutions, then we have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. For this question number 4, we will find the value by applying this. And here when we have infinite many solutions, whenever we have infinite many solutions, we have the pair of linear equations are consistent, right? First one, when we have a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Then we have a unique solution. Two lines, they will intersect each other. And second one was a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. The two lines, they are parallel to each other, right? And we have no solution. No solution. Here we have unique solution. Unique solution, and the pair of first and third case, here two lines, they overlap on one another, or we are saying the two lines, they coincide, right? So the cases table is drawn in the book very beautifully. So here first and third, the pair of equations are consistent, whereas the second one, that is second one, the pair of equations are inconsistent. When the lines are parallel, or we are saying that the pair of equations have no solution, right? So Parul, she got the value p is equal to 1. Let's check. Here we have first equation is x, variable is 1 upon p. 1 upon p is equal to p upon 1 is equal to 1 upon p square. So here we can find, this implies that p square is equal to p square is equal to 1. So what is p? This implies that p is equal to plus minus 1. What is p? P is equal to plus minus of 1. So here, if it is, you can consider both the values plus minus 1. Right? So here when we write minus, so minus will not serve the purpose. Minus 1, so it will also, square is also positive when we cross multiply, so we will get. So fifth question, a very simple equation, pair of linear equations. Solve for, express the equations, express the equation x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to in the standard form. In standard form, standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Question number 7. So here a correct answer is 4 1. So here find the value of which, write first 5 term of AP whose nth term is given by, write first 5 term of AP, write first 5 terms of AP whose nth term is given, nth term is an is equal to 5n minus 2. Question number 8. So here it is very simple, we have to solve for x and y. We can multiply first equation by 2, right? So what we got? We got twice of x plus 2y is equal to 10, and already it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Subtract one from another. Minus, it will become plus, it will become plus. So we have here 5y is equal to 15. So y is equal to 3. Y is 3. We can find x. We can find x. So we can put the value of y, that is x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So the value of x is 2 and y is 3. These are the value of x and y. These are the value of x and y. Next question. Next question. Express the equation in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? Next question. distance between the points, if the distance between the points, if the distance between the points if the distance between the points 2 minus 3 and 10 comma x is 10 units, then find the value of x. Then find the value of next question. Find the coordinates of point P that divide the line segment joining the point such that find the coordinates of point P find the coordinates of point P that divide the line segment AB that divide AB then line segment joining the points A 2 minus 5 and B minus 5 comma 9 such that AP ratio AB is equal to 3:7. The ratio is given. We have to find the coordinates of point P. The ratio is 3:7. So here Parul will write x is 2 and okay, standard form, that is x square minus 10x plus 3. So let's check here. When we multiply the equation here, we can open the bracket, that is x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to, here is x square and here is 5x. When we multiply here, we have 2x square plus x minus 6x minus of 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. When we rearrange here, we have left here with x square. Here we have minus 5x minus 5 minus 5 10x and minus of 3 is equal to 0. So here your answer is Parul, your answer is right. It is x square minus 10x plus. Please check here. This is not plus here. Minus is minus 3. The sign is here. Minus of 3. Please check. So next one. Nth term of AP is given. What is given? Nth term of an AP is given. You have to find first n terms. So first term, when A1 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 2. So first term of AP is 3. Second term A2 is 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. So common difference is 5. A3, 5 into 3, 15 minus 2, that is 13, or you can go with the common difference also, plus 5, that is 18, plus 5, 23. These are the first 5 terms of the AP. These are the first 5 terms of the AP, right? So, thank you, Parul. Come to then the next question. So in this question, question number 7, nth term of AP is given. An is equal to 5n minus 1. So dear students, one more thing I want to discuss. If we have given AP, okay, so we can frame its standard form, okay, or we can frame its general formula, you can say, like here is the formula for n term, 5n minus 2. For this AP, we can write this 5n minus 2. So first term is 3, second term is 8, then 13, 18, 23, so on, right? Next question is from coordinate geometry. Here the distance between the 2 points are 2 minus 3, and next is 10 comma x is 10 units. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Next question. So here we can solve. We can, in this question, the distance formula, when we apply the distance formula, one is like 1 point A and B, right? So distance between the points, that is 10 units. Here, when we apply the formula here, so 10 minus 2, 8 square, 10 minus 2 whole square, plus here x plus 3, minus minus will become plus. So here squaring both sides, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, here it will become 100, and here under root will get cancelled then. So we have here 8 whole square is 64, 8, 64, and here we have x square plus, sorry, it is a square here. This is a square here. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 6x plus 9, right? So here 73, this 27. So we have here x square plus 6x. Here it is 73. So 70 plus 73 minus 100 is equal to. So we have the equation, that is x square plus 6x minus of 27. Minus of 27 is equal to 0. So here we will find the value of x. We can have two values. If the distance between the points, there is 10 units, find the value of x. So here we can factorize it also. So how to factorize? We can factorize the simple by middle term also. So middle term x square plus, here I can write 9x minus of 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. So we have here x into x plus 9 and here x plus 9 minus of 3. So we have the values, one is x minus 3 and another is x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is having two values, x is either 3 or x is minus 9. So these are the two values which will satisfy the equation, the x. What is the x? X is minus of 9 and 3, right? So next one, next question here is find the coordinates. Apply the section formula here, that is AP into AB. But here you have to check how they are describing them. AP ratio AB is 3 ratio 7. AP ratio AB is 3 ratio 7. So you have to check first. So in this question, AB are 2 points. One point is A, its coordinates are 2 minus 5, and B point, its coordinates are minus 5, 9. Right? And there is a point P. Point P is in such a way that here ratio is given in something different way. They are saying one is AP, one is AB. AP is 3, AB is 4. AP is 3, AB is 4. So total, this point it lies about here. One is 3, this point lies about here. Why this point lies below here? This distance is 3, and this distance here, this distance is 4. This distance here is 4 units, sorry, not 4, this ratio is given 7. So here, right, this is like here only. P is the point, this distance is given 7, same like your NCERT question. This distance is here 3 and total distance is 7. So ratio here, this is the ratio 3 and this ratio is 4. 3 ratio 4. Ratio is 3 ratio 4. From here, what is AP? AP is equal to 3 and PB is 4. This is the ratio 3 ratio 4. Ratio here is 3 ratio 4. So we can apply the concept here, 3 ratio 4. So here we know 3 ratio 4. We are interested here to find the points P coordinates, right? So 3 and 4. Point X, the coordinates of point P, that X is equal to 3 into minus 5, 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2 divided by 3 plus 4. And Y, what is Y? Y is equal to, this Y here is equal to 3 into 9 plus 4 into minus, so what is X? Minus 15 plus 8 divided by 7. So here that is minus of 7 upon 7 is equal to minus 1. And here, what is y? Y is 27 minus of 20 upon 7. So we have 7 upon 7 is equal to 1. So here the coordinates of point P coordinates are x is minus 1 and y is 1. Right? This is the answer here. The coordinates of point P are minus of 1 comma 1. Right? This is about this question. Take some more questions. Learn some more questions here. Question is, if a triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that twice of AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Then find the length of EF. Then find the length of EF. Two parallel tangents are drawn to a circle of radius 3. If two parallel tangents are drawn to a circle if two parallel tangents are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter, then find the distance between them. Find the distance between them. Then find the distance between them. Find the distance between them. Next question is, if sine theta sine square of theta is equal to 1, find the value of cosine square of theta plus cosine square theta plus cosine raised to power 4 theta. Next question. So here EF is 4, 7.7. Power we write 7.7 is 1, minus 7.7 is minus 1. So very right. EF is 4. So So let's discuss if two triangles are similar. One is triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and one triangle is triangle that is DEF. These are similar here. Now AB is double of DE, right? And BC is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Scale factor is of 2. BC is of 2, so what is EF? EF is 16. Because here scale factor AB, this is twice of AB. So this must be twice of BC. Twice of BC is 16. So EF here is 16 centimeter. EF is 16 centimeter. Right? EF, try to understand the triangle here. DEF is the bigger triangle, ABC is the smaller. That's why they are saying DE is twice of AB. So Parul, please check it, bache. Here this is twice of AB. If AB is here, suppose x units, this is twice of x, right? So okay, thank you. Next one. Next question is, two parallel tangents are drawn to a circle of radius 3. If a circle is there, the radius is 3 centimeter, two parallel tangents are drawn. The central radius is there, one tangent, right? One tangent is here and one tangent at the extreme. These two tangents are parallel tangents. These two tangents are parallel tangents, right? Like here, one is L, one is M. So L is parallel to M, it is given. If two parallel tangents are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter, then find the distance between them. So very much confirmed, the distance between them is 2r. One is the radius, this one is the radius 3, and this another is also the radius 3. So 3 plus 3, that is supposed to be 6 centimeter or 2r. What is the distance between two tangents? That is always twice of the radius, right? And it's 2r. Okay, that is 6 centimeter, very right. It is what? 6 centimeter. So, next one we have sine theta plus sine theta is 1. Sine theta plus sine square theta is 1. Find the value of, so what is this is given here. So we have sine of theta is equal to 1 minus sine square of theta, and we have the identity sine square theta plus cosine square theta is equal to 1. Or what we have cosine square of theta is equal to 1 minus sine square of theta. So here what is it? Sine of theta, we can replace sine of theta is equal to cosine square of theta. So find the value of here. Then we have to find cosine square theta. So this value I can put here cosine square of theta plus cosine is power 4 theta. So here cosine square theta is sine theta plus here we can write cosine square theta cosine raised to power 4 theta. So we can substitute here cosine square theta. Again we can write sine cosine we can write cosine square of theta plus 1 into here in this way also we can write cosine square theta 1 plus cosine square of theta, right? In this way also what we can do, we can substitute the values, that is sine of theta into 1 plus 1 plus sine theta. So here we have sine of theta plus sine square of theta, right? So here in terms of sine theta plus sine square of theta, this value we can substitute. So next question. Next question is a 6-face dice is marked with the number. A 6-face dice, 6-face die is marked with the number 0, 1, 2 such dice are thrown together. Two such dice are thrown together. Find the probability of getting. Find the probability of getting find the probability of getting the sum of 7. Sum of 7. Here you have to draw the sample space and then you have to find. So here, we have solved this sum by simplifying sine theta plus sine theta whole square into cosine theta. So here at least you can simplify or you can solve the identities also, right? So here you have to draw the sample space 0, 1. Now such a dice are thrown together. If a 6-face dice is marked with a number 0, 1, 1, 1, 6, 6, two such dice are thrown, right? So what will be the sample space? Right? One is having 0, so here 0, 0 can come. 0 1, because here we have 1 1 1 6 6, same 0 1 1 1 6 6 1 2 3. 0 1, we have 0 1 0 1 0 6 0 6, right? 0 0 can come, 0 1 0 1 0 1. Second, again with 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 6 1 6 can come. Same again, 1 0 1 1 1 1 can come, 1 1 can come, 1 6 can come, 1 6 can come. Same 1 0 1 1 1 1 can come, 1 1 can come, 1 6 1 6 can come. Then we have 6 0 6 1 6 1 6 1 6 6, again 6 0 6 1 6 1 6 1 6 6. So here we have this. This is a sample space, right? Here we have this sample space. So in this sample space, find such dice are thrown. Find the probability of getting the sum of 7. So here we have the sum of 7. These all are they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So probability of the event 12 by 36. You can check here, it is 12, 12, 12, and so here 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So probability of event A, that is 1 by 3. What is the probability of event A? That is 1 by 3 here, right? So we have some, let's discuss some case study questions, right? So we have, let me write the question and then give you some options of case study questions, right? So case study based questions, case study. Question is, Amrita runs an industry in a shed. Amrita runs an industry Amrita runs an industry in a shed, which is in the shape of, which is in the shape of in the shape of cuboid in the shape of cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder. As the base of the shell, base of the shell is of dimension is of the dimension 7 by 15 meter, 7 by 15 meter, and the height of the cuboidal portion and the height of the cuboidal portion is 8 meter. I am again writing. Amrita runs an industry in a shed which is in the shape of a cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder. The base of the shed is of the dimension 7 meter by 15 meter, and the height of the cuboidal portion is 8 meter. Now you have to give the answers. Questions are, if the height of the cuboid shed is 8, the volume of the shed approximately is, first, if height of the cuboidal shed is 8 meter, it is given. Find the approximate volume. First, second question. Question 2. Options are here. Option is A 840 cubic meter, B that is 130 cubic meter, C 290 cubic meter, and D 1420 cubic meter. First one, approximate value. And second is the curved surface area of the top of the shed. So here we have in this way, this is the cuboidal, you can say we have here in this way, and this is the so here second is curved surface area of the top of the shed. Find the curved surface area of the top of the top of the shed. Top of the shed. Curved surface area of the top of the shed. that is A part 330 square meter, 330 square meter, B 290 square meter square, C that is 190 square meter, and then we have 165 square meter. B is 165 square meters. Third one, question number 3. Question number 3 is the cost of painting the top shed at the rate of 20. Cost of painting the top. Cost of painting the top at the rate that is Rs 20 rupees. What is the A part? Rs 6600, B Rs 3300, C that is Rs 5800, and D part that is Rs 3800. One more part is there, so let me first discuss here. So let's discuss here these three parts. We know here that the dimension of the cuboid is 7 meter by 15 meter, and the height of the cuboidal portion is 8 meter. This is 7, this is 15, and here this is 8 meter height. So first is find the approximate volume. When we are finding the volume, we have two things. One is the cuboid LBH, and one is the half of the cylinder. It is what? Half of the cylinder. Here this is half of the cylinder, right? So here one is the volume, that is pi RH. Sorry, first is LBH, 15 into 7 into 8, and pi r square h plus pi r square h, 22 upon 7 r square. R is 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 into h. H will be 15 divided by 2 because it is already half. So this one calculation we will do. So here we have 8 into 56, 15 into 56, plus here it is 11, 7.5, right? So we have here 5.5, 5.5 into 3.5 into 15, right? H, length of cylinder is again that is 15 meter. So here we have 15 6 90, 75, 75 and 84, right? And here this side we have to do the still calculation. We have to find 55, 35. Here is 5 into 5 multiply by here 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 7, 52. So again when we multiply with 5, we have here 5 5s are 25, 10 plus 2 12, and 5 is 25 plus 1 26. So here 2625, right? 2625. So we have the here 7882. So near about here, what is the value here? 840 plus we have 20 so 288.75 or 289, we can consider 289. So here 840 plus 289. So here what is it? 9, 12, and here 11. So it is near about. What will be the right option? What will be the right option? So we will check A part. So here 1100. This is the right option. This is the right option. Now go for the second part. It is 1130. Right? So quickly find the second and third. In second, calculate the top of the shed, curved surface area of the top of the shed. Curved surface area of the top of the shed. In second part, we have the options 330 square meter, 290 meter square, 119 square meter, and 165 square meter. Four options are given. So find the curved surface area. Curved surface area here is only half. So here curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, but it will be only pi RH. 2 will get cancelled because only we are going to find the half. So here let's here curved surface area. We know curved surface area that is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. But in this case we have only half. So it is pi 22 upon 7, radius that is 3.5, and h is 15 meter. 7 ones are 7, that is 0.5, 0.5 into 22, that is 11, 11 into 15. So here 15 ones are 15, right? So it is 165. So here this is the right answer. D part is the right answer. 165 is what? 165 square meters. Square meters. Next one is the cost of painting the top. So cost of painting is simply third question when our second question is right. Third part, the cost here that will be 20. Scale area is 165 multiplied by 20. So we have here 0, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 here, and 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, 3, so it is 8, 5. So here we have 0, 5 twos are 10. So I have multiplied with 5. Wait. So here 0, we have 5 twos are 10, 1, 12 plus 1, 13, 2 plus 1, 2 ones are 2 and plus 1, 3. So we have the cost 33. This is the cost. We have one more fourth part. Let me discuss this fourth part with you. Fourth part is if the machinery in the shed occupies the total space. Fourth part. In the fourth part, machinery of the shed occupies total space. Question number 4. The machinery occupies machinery occupies total space of occupies the total space of 300 cubic meter. There are 20 workers, each of whom occupies about 20 workers. Each occupies 0.08 cubic meter. What amount of space is occupied in the shed? Total you have to mention which amount is occupied. We have 3016 cubic units. B 298.4 cubic meter. C 292 cubic meter, and D, that is 218 cubic meter. Right? So here you have to add, multiply by 20 and add, and then subtract from the total volume of the shed. We have found the total volume of the shed, right? We have one more question on basic case studies. So here next question. Here Raj, question is on again on this case study. Raj wake up in the morning, and notices that his digital clock reads 725. At noon, at noon, he looks at the clock again. He looks at the clock again. Again, on the basis of this information, give what is the probability first? What is the probability? What is the probability that the number of the columns that the number of columns is columns A is 4, right? A part 0, B part 1 by 6, C part that is 1 by 10, and D part that is 2 by 3, right? So here A and B, here what they are saying is 7, 5, 2, 5. These are the two columns here, right? One column is column A and this is column B. So here, what is the probability that number of a column A is 4? So how many numbers we can have? We can have here 0 to 0 including total 10. So 4, that option C is right one. Option C is right one. Second, if that is the what is the probability that the number on column B is 8? Column B is 8. So it is also again 1 by 8. So here, is it right answer? No, wait. We are talking about a clock. So here sample space is very important. Here which numbers are coming? Here numbers are coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and not and even 6 is coming. Right? 59. So 6 will not come. It will be then next. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it is 1 by 6 is the right probability here. Same for the column 8. For B here 0 is coming. Right? This is a sample space for A. For B sample space that is 0. 1 can come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and right. Total these numbers are coming and these are 10 numbers, right? So here in case of B, the probability of event that B is equal to 1 by 10, right? So in this way we can solve the question. Next one, next part, what is the probability that number in the column A is 7? That is 0. Third part is probability C, right? That in column A, that number is coming 7. So coming 7, it is not possible, 7 cannot come. Because in 1 minute, 1 hour, we have only 60 minutes. Right? So here the probability of the third part that is 0. Right? So next fourth part, what is the probability that number number in the column B is greater than 5, right? Probability greater than 5, there is only 1. So it is again greater than 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here total number is 4 divided by 10, so that is again 2 by 5, right? That is 2 by 5 is the probability. This is about the question, okay? So with this, I am ending today's class. So all the best for your exam, okay? Work hard, try to solve maximum questions. With this, thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy.